Next time, mash up the real. No germs.
Joe. And that we got to. All right. Things set. We plug in. All right. Good night, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, granny, grandpa, auntie, uncle, niece, nephew, everybody.
The man just put on the breaker. We just start.
I have to buy. Gonna try pressure me. But the thing good, you know.
The
Hey,
thing
I want to
nice.
say good night to everybody and welcome to the podcast. You don't know. South Coast Podcast Raw. Every Wednesday. It no matter where you're there. Big up the people by the diaspora.
Don't know, big up New York, big up LA, big
Big
up
up
Chi-Town.
everybody. We're
Yes,
lucky and know
big up
everybody
Jaja.
we wait.
You don't know.
Right?
South Coast Podcast Raw, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. We're live in your living rooms via Daifa TV, Daifa Radio. If you're rolling or strolling through town or wherever, and you got Daifa line up on the thing, big up yourself.
Yeah, man.
We're live on Hot After Press. We are also live on Wave TV.
Huh?
So make sure to plug up the thing, yeah? Share
Plug
the
in.
live and subscribe to the thing.
Yes,
Yeah,
man.
and give us a thumbs up. I'm your boy, Lord Byron from the Galaxies. I don't know how the thing said. We're ready for that Wednesday. South Coast Podcast. Raw!
Yeah.
So how do you think kick off at 3? How will
Bye.
kick off the evening? How will you kick off the evening?
By right now we are kick
I
off
don't know if we think
the thing.
I rate off it now.
Before we kick off anything, right? I want to big up with sponsors.
Yeah.
I want to say good night to Kush International. Also Gary for Irie. Big up Gary for Irie. Conflict Music. Januna Bitters. Wave TV, Wave Radio. Hot Off the Press.
Mm-hmm.
Daifa Radio, Daifa TV. Right? If I miss anybody, please make a know.
Yeah, man. Big up push.
Yeah, big up Kush.
Yeah,
Why
big
I
up
want
Kush.
big up Gary Maya.
Big up Garimaya all the time.
Yeah, big up Gary Maya.
Big up the whole management and staff at Garimaya.
Real.
You don't know, get up here, big up yourself. For we peoples.
Real.
Yes, sir.
So with that, touch upon the league. But I want to talk about the game. The football match, man.
And
over 40 versus the league with me.
Yeah.
What happened Sunday, right? But I see
Yeah.
you, I see Jaluna.
yeah,
You see me can't go in on that game, right?
Yeah.
Because I mean just come off of work.
yeah. Tired.
Knock, but I say it just may happen that I could reach to still see the game.
Yeah.
So as I reach straight out there.
Yeah, the game is nice, man.
Yeah.
We knock off the league boy there 1-0.
1-0.
You know, with one head off and Master Larry.
Larry, boy.
Huh?
Yeah, because he come between we, you know. You see, he come and he get blessings.
You think? Nobody fan outside show up, and I really disappointed in that man name fan outside. Come on, man, it was just a fun time. You know, to play on the bar and to entertain the mothers, them, man.
So we have to get ready for Father's Day.
So we have to get ready for Father's Day, you know, Father's Day.
Nice.
Right? We are nice up the thing for Father's Day. Right? They over 40. We want a big team fan outside. I want everybody come out fan outside. We are bring out for we squad fans outside. Right now, we are try to do this thing nice and dandy. Right? We may talk to Mr. Laurie to make we do this thing in at the football field. Carl Ramos.
Yeah.
You know, so
we do it big.
Right? Well, we have to come together and we have to make the thing grand.
Nice. Yeah.
Once they work out on their levels there, you know, we could carry it in Carl Ramos.
With the telling of and now,
right?
so we work
everybody
out.
come out and
putting a leash
here. Yeah, all of the fathers name and over 40 come out, man. Make we nice up the thing, man.
And with that, also I want to touch base with the consultation, the land consultation we're having that scene by
Saturday.
This Saturday.
Yeah, 4 p.m. right?
4 p.m.
Yes.
So
do remember
when you come out.
Yeah, see invite. When you come out for this land consultation where they go on see where they go on a Placencia today, right? On see where they go on Placencia. On see where they go on Placencia, then kind of dredging when a man And then people they deal with the back there, right? Breach the contract and all over so much 100 feet
Digging on the sea or
in
river.
the lagoon. Yes, man. Big.
That's where we
Yes,
landed.
man. I have to say kudos to everybody will come out in the Placentia and for highlight, for the highlight the kind of mischief,
What did they try to do?
right? And destruction when they do to the environment. I mean, that piece of place right now back there, so that one habitat for the manatee where the manatee they feed, and if you know them man, then they back there, knowing that then the breach, then permit, knowingly that then the breach and permit.
They still do it.
Still,
They still don't know dirt.
no man,
Respect.
that
Am I
company
thinking this?
violate the contract, and I think the whole project there, the whole project to get out. The whole project back at Placenta Lagoon there, the whole project to get out in the back there, man.
Yeah, man.
And we have to get conscious, and we have to know where to go on in our community, and we have to know when others the breach, right? Because anything that unlawful, that unlawful, man.
Yeah.
The man they not got nothing out there for no Martin, nothing. The man just out there to dig. Man, Lord Jesus Christ. On the watch list, boy. On the watch list. I mean, one of the thing there, boy, actually, where I want to touch pan,
Touch it.
right? And
Fire up.
right? I want, why? On the wrong and about the community, and on the smile up and the go on like people, and on the scrape.
Rake and
Scrape and scrape. Huh?
Call name,
On
man.
the rake and scrape the community, my brother.
Call name.
Right? I don't want to call no name. Right? I don't want to call no name, but the thing I have to stop, man.
They
Right?
use the what did they use to scrape? What outlet did they use to scrape?
Why? All kind of weird how they do their thing, man. They call wolf in a sheep clothing. Right? And I tell you by if you not check for me, brother, call smile up in my face. And then go talk behind my back. I tell you right now, cause me no beg friend. Me no beg friend. See when me roll, me a soul ranger. Me roll alone, cause me I could defend this. I could defend this. I know I could defend this. That's what see me. Not smile up in my face, bro. On the chat behind my back, kind of thing. I tell you, stay away from me.
Julius Caesar.
Check on stay away from me. I tell you right now. Straight up. Live.
Talk to you and got dagger in your back.
You check?
Big dagger.
Big dagger.
Why?
No man. We don't want no. Them kind of people there, they're very dangerous.
Yeah.
Very dangerous.
Yeah, just like we go to church every day, I afraid, man.
Yeah. They're gonna buy another
people will go to church every day, be afraid.
Another thesis that again. Actually, that's another topic.
Bull, big up yourself, big up your wife, Diana Bull and Salaman Bull, the lucky in, right? And we are Maya Center.
We big up Maya Center, bye. By we got some of the people in the back of Maya Center, them. We also big up for the healer, the natural healer.
Maya Center.
Yeah, man, the lady.
Yeah,
we can cook the Carlo.
Carlo. Yeah, she got a book.
Yeah, she got. Yes, man. She know my herbal healer.
Yeah.
Traditional healer.
Traditional.
Yeah, man.
Nice Carlo too.
Yes, man. Big up with my friend name back at
Red
Bank.
Big up with crew.
Yeah, man. Big up with crew back at Halakte.
Bye. So now, with that.
So the Mayor's Cup they come up too, no?
Mayor's Cup, but before that, I want to touch on team, man. With team Dream Ballers. What we do?
Why Dream Ballers win? Why Dream Ballers win this weekend? Yeah. Why Congratulations, by big win, Dream Ballers. Big
So
win.
that by how much the game, how much
Why
you
them
win,
body we
Jalu?
bloat, man, bloat. We
Jalu
bloat,
and
we
you
bloat,
got
we
the game?
bloat, we bloat. Western Dollars,
Huh?
they bloat, man.
Huh? Why? Well,
Well, coming in,
see,
look at this.
well, I just by how much you win?
Why we blow them up by about 25 to 30 points, man. 25 to 36 points, man. Huh? By 30 with your pan spell, man.
By
Give who
by
respect? Give who
I
respect?
ask
Dream
if
Ballers? Dream Ballers have to give Dream Ballers respect.
I
Whether he
just
like
asked
it or
the
not.
man if my team win over the
Yes, man,
weekend.
your team win, man. We team win. We got Corozal now, right? Orindra?
Then they know.
Why?
No, I want to beat Orindra.
Right.
No. I know.
Hey.
I know nobody on because I just tell you uno beat. Hey, uno don't beat Kayo, right? Let me beat uno. No, I tell you no. That just one hurdle. We done this at the talk sports after this normal sports. That's it. Basketball. No, I know you can't tell me sports are be last, Alu. We don't do sports.
So
we just the flow.
So who will they play next? Who will they play next?
Orindra.
Running Rebels.
That then boy I got.
That now
No, then the Koya. Then the Koya or they going? Huh? Then the Koya or they going?
Yeah.
So anyway, here what?
So
no.
Dream Ballers Running Rebels they can't agree, no?
Then they come and they go there and they lose the game when they go there the first game.
You don't got no stats.
By the first game they go there they lose.
You don't got no stats. That's why you have to left this.
The opening they go there and they beat there. That right or wrong? That's stats. So now they have to prove to me again like what they proved to.
We are run up and run the Rebels.
And win that game.
Run down and get beat up.
Anyways, right? So that's where it happened then. No, we there. Me has cup in a month.
Yeah.
Me has cup the start in this month. So I guess you understand I know a lot of teams.
Yeah.
Yeah, like 10 teams there are good, man.
They were nice, but the
nice.
field needed better lighting too, man. Mr. Mayor.
Huh?
Mr. Minister, Sports Council. The field, now how long this Ramos Stadium here need better lighting?
Aye.
Now how long will they ask for more lighting from this field here? Huh? We need more lighting before this Mayor's Cup start, man. We don't want a man go out there go hurt themselves, you know. We don't want a man go out there go hurt themselves. The place dark. The south side of the field dark. The whole field dark. We need better lighting out up on the field, man. Yeah, man. Now who not Minister of Sport, right? Who not Minister of Sport? Yeah, man. But we have to make the Mr. Mayor know because this is his representation of his thing. So Mr. Mayor he needs to carry the message to who needs to get the message. Get tough. We need lighting on the field. Definitely we need lighting on the field.
Correct. I'm gonna call wrong name sometimes because it's dark.
Yeah, we want to big up the under 13, the under 15, the under 17 session where they going right now. So that's nice thing.
The boys and girls.
So big up the Dangoria Football Association
also,
for that, right?
We touch base. Remember this month the 23rd of this month at the National Garifuna Council Convention, right?
In San Ignacio.
The Kayo we are there. Right? Well, actually that's on the
22nd.
The 22nd, 23rd, and so the 23rd, where the Saturday, that the big night for the dance. Right? So we have Vida, Nawani, we got YG, you know. Myself, yourself.
But actually, I don't think I want to make it without show. Like,
you know make it?
No, but I don't.
You stay aside?
Yeah, I don't.
Oh, I don't know why.
I don't commit it. I don't commit it to Pomona.
No, go cry to me.
I don't commit it to Pomona already. Right? So same time Pomona Day on the kickoff. So everybody in the surrounding community. Yeah, now right now Pomona the space shuttle wa orbit. I don't know how the thing gets done, right? And actually one then a car and everything one balance over that side there too. So yeah man.
Yeah,
You don't know what the thing
Cairo.
said. The team
23rd.
the team big too, you know. We have
Yeah.
a big team, so we must go share ourselves
Yeah, man.
you know,
Well, over there,
the vibes
Cairo.
are nice. The
The
vibes are nice
23rd.
definitely.
It's possible. If God give me the health and strength over there, Cairo. I know. If but anyway. Then so we want it. That will include all the people like from
That all of the
the
Garifuna
Garifuna,
council,
they were there.
all the districts.
Everybody from Barranco to Libertad,
Yeah.
right? And included Hopkins and well the whole nine.
Yeah, man, whole 9 yards, man.
I try to look up the flyer for that. Because I know I got a flyer for that show there. Right? That show too much picture, man. Too much picture. But anyway, that Dakar, yo.
Yeah, man.
Right? So we want everybody come out the west that weekend and come support the thing. I think I'm not sure yet I'll wait till when Maurice get through, but we're supposed to have Miami there. I don't know if we get through it now.
Yeah, we got Miami, we got Miami, we
Super
got
V
Vida,
confirmed.
we got Luani,
Yeah, we got Noani.
right? We got Vida and friends,
Yes.
right? So we got
Right.
YG.
Yes.
You don't plug up Selector G.
Uh,
You never plug up Selector G. Say San Ignacio.
okay. Miami confirmed. Huh? Huh? Via friends.
Kaya going on mad, boy.
Via friends with
Miami.
Miami.
No hear what it go. We can give us some pass for that show there.
Yeah.
Huh? If we look at Garifuna Council. Then he has some.
Yeah, we have to give a couple passes to that show, man. Right? We want the people to go out there and enjoy themselves, have fun, right? Because it's the way it's all about. We want the people for Kyle win, you know. Have to make the people for Kyle win something. Right, big up Jaja. Big up Sonny Cass.
Yeah.
And the crew, everybody were lucky in that side. Right, so you know they can't wait when we're not gone. They want to know that what are the problem.
But I
But
tell
they
you,
am
they
tonight,
shoot
man.
by there, and it's not a tree by na I die, boy. It's not a tree na I die, always got
Right.
wait.
When you could blame me, I will take the fall. That me.
Not a tree I die, people. I tell you no.
And you have for 6 today. And they wait till when the time now I end up in our meeting.
I want to make up the Luna bitters, get
Yeah.
on the bitters, right on the Y. With the right on the Y, you know, drums of our fathers. Right, that's how we get all of the blessing, you know, the ancestors. Make sure everything nice and then for
Plug
we.
in.
You know what I'm saying? Everything plug up. So
Yeah.
make sure you get on the bitters. Yeah, cause right now, what we got the Luna beat slavers right now. Beat slavers right now. Thing rich. Just bro.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. So
Thing succulent just no hell.
get to the bitters.
South Coast podcast, right? What episode with that, actually?
Episode 27.
27. How much
This are the 17 one
17 for this
for this year. For this year, yeah. The 17 one for this year. Yes, man. I stayed stats, man.
Got stats for you want got stats right now?
I stayed stats, my brother. Yeah, man.
I 3 stats like that, you know?
Right. We could give away a ticket for Kyle.
Yeah.
Right? We could give away a little ticket for Kyle, man. For the guy from our family.
Yeah, man. Go there, man. Go there easy.
No, that you. Like, how you know when you come up, at least be a part of it by giving me that.
Give me, name me at least 3 artists.
7 miles.
Yeah, from Shy Bell. Tribal to Dangriga. So it's an annual walk, right? Annual cancer
Wow.
activity,
Yeah.
right? So
Usually
everybody,
got t-shirts for sale.
then I think they got a t-shirt to go check Miss Lisa Cheng at
Yeah, Mr. Chang, you could
right,
take
yeah,
to
you go,
Tribal
yeah,
gas
man,
station.
go right now impacts.
Yeah,
Right now impacts and
give
get
him
on
a
the
shirt.
t-shirt.
You know a lot of our family pass for cancer.
Yeah, a lot of people, but I mean
Cancer are the
cancer.
thing now, boy.
Yeah, so we have to,
That eat a lot of the canned food.
I have to stop eating canned food.
You see, on the bubble on the one
We have
thing,
to start eat more veggies.
yeah, veggies.
You know,
That's why
right? We
I
have to
eat that
start.
jaluna. You see jaluna, he got everything. Well cultivated, succulentus,
By tomorrow,
thick man coconut rice.
by
Rich.
tomorrow, we are going to patties out tomorrow.
Bye. Jalu.
Right? Patties succulentus.
Tomorrow the PG we are rolling on Jalu. A PG. Don't make nobody tell you about no parties. A PG we going on Jalu.
Right? This man I eat a wangle and a PG, boy. This man, I tell this man no go eat no wangle and a PG, no
Why?
boy.
Don't
This
talk
man
about
ya
my.
still gonna eat a wangle and a PG.
You see who you
Huh?
talk fool about, oh,
Boy.
right? That
That's
is Baleano.
this man lay down in a hammock and I need a man feed it a wangle and a PG, no boy. Boy, that them mix them bad. Huh?
Right. PG I love
Huh?
you know.
You can't need no ham and feed in a hammock,
Right.
need no
I going
no
to
wangle.
PG
A
tomorrow, man.
PG? No
Yes.
man, just say.
That is spot.
I don't PG, this man wanna go every day now.
Right, Jalu. Remember the last time when we got a PG for our Christmas? When they want to do it with Jalu? Huh? Remember when we got a PG Christmas? By that trip there, boy. By thanks to my mom, boy, may she rest in peace, boy. Can't forget that trip, boy. Christmas Eve, bruh.
I'm going to play football.
We going for a dance. And boy, anyways, I can't say what they give me for eat. Because I never eat it. I get mad.
Why?
I get upset, boy.
But PG, I love, man. PG,
Oh.
a lot I love. PG, a lot I love. PG, a lot I love.
Alright, so give 3 artists. Where were they now?
I'm on the line up for next week, Saturday night, standing now.
Standing now, so
And win yourself a ticket.
just like that.
Yes, man. Plug up.
Easy. And then I think following week by the next consultation for the land thing, the Hopkins.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the 27th.
Okay.
The 27th of this.
I see, right now this weekend, right?
Yeah,
The
then
16th.
then the 27th Hopkins. So
The 27th?
yeah,
Mm.
I think.
Yeah.
So
But we have to make sure that we plug
with
in.
people,
So that people forget the real
we
understanding.
want with people say
You know,
come
and
out
we
and
really what they
speak
want
out
because
for
you know we all know that landmen now are hotbed of corruption in
you know,
this
see the
country.
by. I like how the Maya people they stand up for
Yeah,
their
man.
land. So why if they could do it, we could do it.
Yeah, because I mean, and we have to start an exercise as Garifuna people. We have to start an exercise with indigenous rights, because we are special people and we take ourselves lightly.
Yeah. Bye. This weekend, turn on for cut your shot another some week.
That's on the weekend.
This weekend,
Yeah.
another some. Right, Tyler.
This weekend, not
Tell me if that this weekend.
this weekend, man. Not this weekend.
Or send me the flyer.
Not this weekend.
Yeah. Because, boy, that's mean that this South it happened. This South, the lady South. I don't know if they do man or Monday.
The land consultation.
No, for the village there, like for Mona there,
Yeah.
you know.
After GT na Pomona, no?
Yeah, if this weekend at GT,
next week na
next
Pomona.
weekend at Pomona. So I see that they got a bull ride at Pomona, right?
Sure.
They got a road at Pomona.
They got a road there?
Why then I see some fence to make the Pomona up on the side of the field. You know, I travel and observe a lot, you know. I see some fence with flags on the go up. So
no, Pomona going on nice.
we got a road. They might got road at Pomona or we say pig, you know. So we don't carry a pig.
Yeah, catch on, no?
Catch on.
Catch off, grease the pig enough for you.
Yeah, lot of. Think they got a lot of. But you know, right? That's all. We have to support the thing, right?
Come on,
So
man, nice man.
Ali village they
But
come
first
go.
this weekend, we go to GT.
Go
We
support.
go support na GT.
Yeah, go support
Right?
the GT.
Yeah, man. We go to GT. Go support GT this weekend. Right? Next weekend we're going to Pomona. The following weekend we're going to
I don't know
Morris
but if
River.
I got it, if I have for the roll.
Then after that we're going to Hopkins. Then we're going to see and bite.
Yeah.
Right?
We are the boat with the team on the move for this weekend.
We have
leading up to the 23rd.
Right? We have the we also have the Dangrega the thing name we're going to Park Fest, Dangrega Town Council Park Fest.
That's June, right?
Right? That's not June, right?
Next month.
June the 27th.
Yeah, next month. Right, this are the season for graduation, you know. They don't take exam, people must get a result. Right, so next month the pump band circumstance. Everybody had a match.
Yeah.
And also reminder, right? I always do this. We might things rough, but we take it for granted. Anytime we go to the store, you got to leave box in your house. Well, you buy or leave something for that box, like canned food. So you prepare for hurricane season already. You know how we tell when something happen that then a rush go.
Go to shop or go on.
So what
Get
I
this and
do
get that.
every time when you go to the store, you buy a leak and food, you dash in on that box. Take every time when you dash in. So when time come, you have to rush. You don't need to rush go to shop.
You don't got your ration.
You don't got amount of ration. Take you don't need to wait and then you buy your leaf water. No waste, then you buy your leaf pouch water too, and you got your full up with the leak gallon because man with this heater where we get and global warming. And you don't know where Cooked Tree. You see where hit Jamaica last year?
Earthquake no Jamaica just the other day. Earthquake hit Jamaica day before, I think, or something like that.
But you see it? You know when the time come
But Jamaica get a serious hurricane to last year too.
yeah, boy.
Right, Hurricane Melissa hit Jamaica and
Hurricane
Jamaica one real number.
Melissa let him what this. You take? But within the belt, we are subtropical climate country, so
Anything go happen.
anything go happen for we take. Well, we a hurricane.
Right, hurricane to me better than a tornado or
A tsunami or
why?
earthquake.
But I tell you.
Volcanic zone.
Right.
So we good.
Now they call that one a China typhoon.
Typhoon.
Boy,
You
not
know
the rough.
we don't need a belt, brother. We don't need a belt.
Boy, tell you boy.
We built that.
Yeah.
Yeah. We good with that.
Yeah, man.
We me done throw me off. Forget the thought. But typhoon, we don't want that. We don't want trap. We don't want turn. We don't want that. Then we be there.
Yeah.
Right? Because like I said, it's our subtropical place and we like tend to want rush when you know that moment.
Yeah.
So the safest
Close to
thing,
disaster.
yeah, the safest thing to do
Now
right
be
now.
prepared.
Now be a girl, guys, was scout, but when you go buy, yeah, no, not yet, man. When you go buy, you like I say, you get that box, and you load up that that box with canned food, man. Buy your little candle, put in there. Your little sausage, you put in there. You know,
You what?
you put in there. See? You have to start think like that. You buy your battery, there, your light, your flashlight. You start store your thing, right? And by them, we got a little teacher where when we was teaching back to high school by Mrs. Gabriel. Remember Mrs. Gabriel?
Yes, I think so.
She was teach literature, man. She teach me lit then.
Miss Gabriel, Miss It's
Bertie B.
yeah.
But anyway, you know that they come a couple of times because I know the family. But the out and the news this lady, like she said, she's coming to say, Frank, in case of a tsunami, where will you store your documents?
It's documents.
Like your documents, your land paper.
Fuck, man, time that you got on paper then.
No, any your any documents or death certificate or your school. So I had to think and I like, but why this lady? No, I don't want to answer because
But what kind of documents you have to make you think, but what kind of documents you have stored then time there? I mean, you're in a
no miss
first
by
time.
this time. No, this time no school this time lately, man. This time lately.
They did long time actually.
She not did it. That lady not did it. You crazy. When that lady come
Nah,
and
they
make you
done dead
meet.
already.
When that lady come here, I will make you meet her.
Veritable frog done dead.
You why? You want to kill that lady now? Look there.
Yeah.
She not dead. But I go make that lady daughter call
Anyway,
you right now.
let's go.
But so when she asked her, I said like, but why you dey ask that and we know the tsunami, but it was a good thought then because with our hurricane. So she said, store it in our iron thing so that if it, I get wet and it float.
So you know what, safe?
No safe, that a sink, man. We have put it in our safe.
So what you put iron
Right.
what? Iron what?
They have them metal thing where you store
Iron that
thing
no
where
metal safe. Iron
no
safe.
no 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 man. You can't like you see how the foil like you store it and you float, man. So what you think? What you think? What container? You think one of them?
Storyteller what?
You think no? That's not about story. You say how one of them? I want to know if you get it now. You see one of the container right there where the citrus struck that. If you put that in on the sea right now, you sink.
You not sink right now,
Thank you.
but it was sink afterwards
Thank
though.
you.
But it was
Hey,
sink
it was
afterwards
sink.
though. It was sink afterwards.
Thank you.
You know what sink right
You
away.
know what sink?
Yes, it was sink.
It was float, man. I know all of them was sink.
No, it was sink. Once water start catching there, it
And
was
if
sink.
you know if it's sealed properly, it will not
It
sink.
not sink,
Aye.
but most of the time it sink.
Most of the time.
Most of the time.
Well, all right then. So here what? Then take a quick break. All right, we'll take a quick commercial break. Then we have to man back on the next segment with South Coast Podcast Raw. Every Wednesday. Are you with there, Panny? Why?
Bantan.
Fuck.
You see? Turn off the coin.
Yeah.
All right. Right. You can't put it on, you don't you have to slow, it's hard to clean it, Johanna. I don't see. All right. Maurice, you see? You just zoom in at your hand, man. Huh? Anyway.
Ladies and
With it?
gentlemen,
With it
boys and
live?
girls,
Yeah.
live again. South Coast Podcast, raw.
I know with it live. So
Welcome to the page.
yeah.
Eh?
Well, we just bring on the brother Lowry again for say thank you for last week for these short snippings and you know.
Yeah, man, the
And I wrap this up quick.
Mother's Day thing, really nice.
Yeah, so
Man, nice look, Mr. Larry.
yeah,
You know?
quick and then we wrap up Mr. Lowry, so go there. I want to welcome you again and the set, you know, and bless up, big up yourself and I'll leave head of there. The time when I got haul out the phone for video, they done gone in.
Yeah, you take too long actually.
Yeah, I take long, but I take long.
They can't play, they don't wait for you, you know.
No, I mean the gears, right? I mean enjoy the watch the game, so.
But you have to give a good finish because you get a good assist.
Yeah.
You dig?
That the assist make
Yeah,
you
man,
finish.
you feel like, man.
Yeah.
The assist, yes, you feel like. Huh?
The man come in for 5 minutes and put the assist there and look here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That family assist come from a chair.
But I mean think that for Luna.
No, man, sure. The Luna in the middle. Yeah, the middle, but middle whole the wing.
We have tonight to just give thanks to the Mother's Day event, no?
Yeah.
We gone out there and we had fun, you know, with the U13 children there, but I want people to realize that once a man, twice a child. At this age, I don't want to match up with no 40 or no 20. You know. I want to match up with 50 and so.
Yeah.
Or senior players because then
They leave him and they bring it.
They leave it fast.
They leave by fast.
They fast bad.
We barely come match up with them leave by.
Yeah, not real.
But we hold out, you know.
We hold out, yes.
We hold out.
I don't know if you get tired one spell.
I in a shape, but they running up and down. I don't play.
Like knock one spell out like, yo.
I say the whole away.
Yeah. Feel like I'm dead serious.
And the man only gone in for 2 minutes now.
For my heart, I feel the beat.
The man come in and give me a work there. You know? We want to thank the veteran team, myself, Bantan, Jalou, Mr. Mars, Chen, the Jacob Basil Grass, Basil Grass coach.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You know, we link up with a really young goalkeeper and we had fun. We do what we got to do. And
Pack him in one of the goals.
yeah, we knock him off.
Knock him off. Easy.
We knock him off.
So I think
One night can knock down. Why? I don't say why. Why? Stay far now.
Yeah, left hand road.
I don't see that why you come past it. Come where you
We also
You mean it, Packy. You mean it. You mean it.
We also want to give thanks to Team Crystalline, you know, well, we know the political thing where they go on and
Sure, politics.
yeah,
why we
and
don't
she-
promote that?
she
We
just-
burn out politics.
yeah, but then we have to talk, we have to give credit where you do.
Alright,
Alright, well, you could give back
Credit where you
credit.
do.
You could give all your
We don't
credit.
talk politics.
Alright. You talk about
This is-
Crystal. We
yeah.
don't talk about UDP
Yeah,
or
no, we don't talk.
Alright,
talk
she
politics.
are your sponsor.
Yeah, she
Alright.
a part of the organization.
Alright
so I
then.
have to give her the credit where you give. Just
Alright.
like Dangra Girls and Boys, Umadago, we got your cleaning service, Dangra Mental Health Advocate, Miss Rodriguez and Mr. and Mrs. Rodriguez, that are the CIB,
Alright.
the wife in the place there. We
Police.
want to thank the coaches, the managers, the owners, the players. We also want to give thanks to the parents. we can't forget South Coast.
I don't know. We don't
Well,
know.
we know we a part of this thing here. We make it happen.
Yeah, no germs.
You know, and we want also give um Malifa Hopkins Abauna.
Abauna man,
Jeremiah.
Jeremiah.
Yeah.
We also want to give Jeremiah thanks because the man donate to man donate to 2 gifts for the time. I tell him boy this is where it go and the man say no nothing come by the shop.
Yeah,
This is where I got for you. So yeah, 2 gifts. We give one of the gifts to one of the girls for HB.
Alright.
Because she hang on through the whole season and she continuously with HG Miss Indira Williams.
Alright, yeah. Well deserved.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and then well, it might sound unfair, but one of the gifts gone to my wife because she instrumental behind.
Yeah, well,
Mother
you
go
don't know, yeah, man. She hold it down, she hold it down.
Without she, I don't know where I'm at right now. So
Respect you.
and bro, that's my biggest investment. My wife is my biggest investment. We want also give Daifa the credit. You know, Daifa the part of the organization and Daifa always there for push where we want to go.
Always push to in the community, make things happen in the community.
Definitely.
Yeah, man.
Just call Daifa. Some people that join this here. Some people that join this Daifa say Daifa there, you know, make you go. But Daifa they do it, you have to do.
Yes, sir.
You know, we want to give Sammy and Bobby.
Yes, sir.
For their contribution to this thing. Yeah, well, veterans, thanks.
Yes,
And now we look forward to Father's Day. We have planned for we Father's Day thing now.
Yeah.
How we are move on to Father's Day. I want you come out, you know.
No, we have
to.
Our come out, man. Our come out, but
I don't want you to talk.
we
Because we don't never come out.
I can't.
We need more sponsorship.
Mentally,
we need
can't.
to do this thing bigger for Father's Day.
Father's Day will be bigger.
And we want outside, come out and
So we got a whole month to prepare.
Yeah, we got a lot of time.
We got a whole month to prepare.
You know?
Where we could go.
So
I know like hoes outside they not represent. I know like
Cheng represent Cheng really fan in that.
Me and Chen, I am not outside too.
See the man give up so he and that.
No. I don't give the man a father sister. Yeah. I don't give the man a father sister. Don't switch up back now.
I live there, my brother. The day I live. The day I live.
You have to start look for man.
Did you come out?
Yeah, man, make we bomb up fast.
So we are put the Father's Day puzzle together.
Yes, sir.
And we will get to veterans and we will enjoy ourselves. Our got the U11 they play first.
All right.
We're going younger now. Last week I made U13.
Yeah.
This Father's Day we got the U11. I want to work with the U11 and the U9. More likely that the parents will come out to support them.
Yeah.
You know, and that's the way the thing is all about. Parental support. We need the parents to come out to support their children because the children then are the biggest investment.
Yeah.
You know?
And that deep right there, so coach, that deep right there, so it's more than just playing football.
You have to interact with the parents, and I like interact with my children, the parents, because I want to know how this boy is at school. If this boy is good at school, you know, sometimes boy shot at this, he shot at that, and the parent come and say, "Coach, it's already gone, it's already gone." Yes, we don't have it like that, but
try to make something happen.
Something will happen. You know, something will happen.
My coach really appreciate the
movement
work what you're doing at the community. You know, keep it up.
At 26 years,
you know, keep it up, and you know the energy high, man. The energy high, and you know we can't stop. You know, we can't stop. You know, and we want more people come out, show on yourself, yo, show on yourself. I'm not afraid. Show on yourself. We need everybody. We need everybody to make this thing work. We need everybody to make Dangriga great. You know what I'm saying? We need to make things happen for these kids. Then they look for graduate from school. We need more job opportunities in Dangriga. We need more of everything. We need more infrastructure. We need development. We need more institutions in this town.
But as you talk about infrastructure, my brethren, my mind have to go back Carl Ramos, man. I know like see how they have Carl Ramos in the darkness. Man.
We just had a talk about that because we made mention that the mayor's cup they come up, you know, and we need more lighting pan the we need more lighting pan the field.
But I want to say something, and I going way back because I a caretaker for Carl Ramos for 10 years. I do 10 years to sit down for the field and me and Caribbean Tread and rugged that we construct the field.
Dig it up.
Dig it up and do everything to the
I remember that, man.
We see 3 international games that Carl Ramos, you know. When they start to remodel the football field, I tell the person who they remodel the football field, this is not FIFA standard. You will never see an international match like Carl Ramos. And when I made a Carl Ramos for 10 years from 2003 till 2013, we see 3 international match. And the field never fenced like how it is. But very clear, Caribbean will always make sure that they light spot and all the lights that they on. I don't know where they go on with National Sports Council or whosoever responsible.
That's what we want to know, because then at the end of the day, we need more lighting on the field.
And I sympathize with the organizers, because then the organizers see the condition of the football field, but you still not say nothing, brother.
Everybody
you risk the detriment
of
your player.
Yeah. Everybody chase money too.
Rugged, they say, why a tree have the ball, but they not a tree have the ball, a Bantan had the ball.
You know, you see?
So that. You know, see?
Yeah. And at the right the man get hurt.
Then we can't blame the ref. We have to accept certain things because the condition of the football field, brother.
Like,
so that's something I will always talk about, and I will always lobby for that. I don't care who wants to say what they want, but hey, that's the reality.
Yeah.
So we have to constantly bring that up for South Coast, make they understand that
we
why
need the lighting.
We don't need
because like this then. Now like even I think at the end of the day, if you take it a step further, you know, even like the players, you know, I mean, we have to stand up for ourselves. We have to stand up for ourselves. Why?
We don't play because the lighting poor.
Because man, you know, you sit down there, and man, not the see ball.
All right, then, man.
You know what I'm saying? So we need to work on the lighting. We need to work on the lighting. Mr. Mayor, Mr. Minister, international. I mean, National Sports Council. Make we gonna try work on this thing, man.
But we don't want to talk politics, because that means that this do not talk. But then the man tell we that the part of the manifesto. Carl Ramos, the part of the manifesto that they were light up Carl Ramos, they were doing all kind of things to Carl Ramos.
That must be for Christmas. Then talk about
Christmas done gone.
Christmas like gone.
No, that must be this year. Then talk about
the lighting. Oh, I don't know the lighting. Whether they talk about the fireworks in New Year's fireworks.
That then they talk about. I don't know, spotlight. That then they talk about. But anyway, coach, I want to say thanks.
Yeah, we were close off by saying right now we're there. As we talk about football, we are youth football right now.
Man.
The youth they play.
Yeah.
So we can't youth they play
right now. Then the boy they rally.
Right now we got U15 and U17. We just done the U13.
Yeah.
The champion for the U13 at Silvras. Now we play U15 and we play U17. The champion out at U15 and U17 going inter-district. So the 2 games played last night. Umara go play HD last night. And we draw. But then Lee boy draw was coughing that HD was bury Umara go and a whole heap of things.
The boy I mean a good game yesterday. I mean a good game, I tell you.
U15 and U17. The second game Wagewale versus Silgrass.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, not today. Yeah, yesterday. Wagera knock off Silgrass 2-0. Tomorrow now U15. Will be Montes against Hopkins Zibayani. Then the second game will be Daifa against HD. Fire! We start from 5:30.
EHD under 17 tomorrow, right?
Yeah, EHD under 17 against Daifa under 17. Then
So come
U15.
out Ramos.
U15.
Ramos.
Remember, EHD don't knock off. EHD U15 don't knock off.
Silgrass
already.
Yeah. And I knock off Montes, so that the two winners meet last night.
Yeah, the
And we
time.
draw.
Why with the
No, then I'm a younger leave one, man. Then I'm a younger leave. I'm not ready for that U15. Carry one the fast. I think I'm
but coach, continue the work, man, and we salute you, man.
Never stop me, brother.
Right, Demas want big you up. Demas say big up yourself from Vegas. So big up the crew, everybody well locked in. You don't know.
Demas, look at me leave by that.
Yeah.
sketch, then they find football, they're not idle. I like see that. A lot of the youth then they're not idle. They go play the ball, they go to school, then because if I want to get them from the young age, they groom them and discipline. You know what I'm saying? And they find interest. I mean, this are under 15 and under 17 and thing with tournament where they want right now. Very interesting if you go see how they play. Very interesting.
Nice games.
Nice game.
You know stand up.
And again, when they play that game that evening, we need the lighting on the field
for the kids.
for the kids there, man.
For the
For the younger generation, this are not for we. This are for the kids. This are for the sport. This are for the sport, man.
All right, gentlemen. With that said and done, coach, if you got any final word, right?
Yes.
Yeah, man lazy that angry got That lazy man that angry got
Right.
Why make the veteran they come out? Come out, veteran. Make we enjoy ourselves.
That lazy up on yourself, my brother.
You want to build
Man
one
work,
party,
so
whatever
man
you
work,
want.
So man work,
Yeah.
right? So
Yeah, we understand that.
he had. So
Yeah,
We
understand. We understand that we work.
man work and man you go encourage man. If the man no want come out, then I come out.
But actually,
And so other players are the same teams.
we have to understand this.
Are the same teams.
That at this age, it's beneficial to me and you because they're not health conscious thing.
We're not continue there, right? We are asking if you come out, make
You
we
come
farm,
out, yeah.
make we farm a team and play football. Cause we could show the kids there too that we once was there. You think?
Because right now,
We once was there.
PG last week PG play veteran game,
Yeah.
against Labuga.
See? Big game that.
Yabra got the team right now. Every day Yabra they call me. Every day
Everybody
Yabra
wait for
every
agree
day
that
Yabra they call me. Say boy, when you ready,
we
when
go
you
there,
ready,
everybody
when you
wait
ready.
for a team to meet. We got them one over 40. Then they wait.
Every district you go, they got the over 40 team and they ready for play.
Yeah.
Are we not ready yet?
And
We just
are
try to
now.
pull the thing together
We just start. We are see where I come out of it now.
and we are
We
pull
see
the
where
thing
I come
together.
out of it.
We got a lot of over 40 players like Hilak, Foul, all of them there. Look at me. Me, I 62.
We got over 52.
Anyway.
Over 60 at my level. I 62.
We got over 62.
Cool. Bye. Anyway. Bye. See? But let the showcase the boots and he don't come out. He didn't come out. You see?
Right. Come on,
Come
let's
out.
go.
And it makes sense to show that
Yeah,
you
he
need
is
to wear it.
showcase.
Daifa.
And he don't come out. They are the thing.
Man,
Daifa.
shoes there, and the
Man,
man
Daifa.
man got the thing and
The
the
man
bed and
ready.
they don't come out.
But the thing say,
Daifa ready.
Knee brace.
So
If you got knee brace, you have.
we are getting ready for mash up outside.
You see how clean this thing? You see how clean this thing? This man, you need to
That thing not broke in there.
you need to bring Vicks and ice for this man.
Anyway, gentlemen,
Thanks
know what?
again. Good
With
night
that said
and
and
thanks
done,
again,
I
man.
want
Thanks
to
for
big up
having
my
me.
sponsors. I want to big up my sponsors before we go, right?
Man. Before I go.
Yeah. So I want to say big up to Kush International Barber, big up to Garofre Irie, Januna Bitters, Conflict Music, Wave TV, Wave Radio, Hot Off the Press, Die for Radio and TV, Jude Belize Foundation, Gary Maya,
Rude boy.
and Rude Boy. West Track. Big up on yourself, right? With that said and done, South Coast Podcast Raw. You see it?
Done.
No
Make
germs.
sure to get on the
Get
merch.
on the merch. No germs.
All right.
We gone. Love you no. Yeah.